Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Zap-Map to find CCS chargers in the USA. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in Zap-Map's URL, www.zap-map.com. Once the page loads, look for the login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login screen. If you already have an account, enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. After entering your details, click on the login button to proceed. If you do not have an account yet, look for the sign up option on the login page. Click on sign up to create a new account. Fill in the required fields, including your name, email address, and a secure password. Once completed, click on the Create Account button. You may receive a verification email in your inbox. Open that email and click on the verification link provided to confirm your account. Return to the Zap-Map homepage and click the Login button again. Now, enter your email address and password to access your account. After logging in, navigate to the Map feature. You will see a search bar where you can look for CCS chargers. Type CCS chargers into the search bar. The map will display available CCS charging stations in your vicinity. You can zoom in and out for a better view of the locations. Click on any charger icon for additional details, such as availability and charging speed. Explore the map to find the best CCS charging options near you. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.